If you think SushiSwap is dead, think again. A hidden breakout is forming on the 2-week chart, and it's screaming opportunity with targets as high as $6.74. Yes, from just 74 cents. But this isn't just a technical bounce. Sushi is rewriting DeFi with new aggregator tech, deep liquidity across 40-plus chains, and some of the highest APYs in the market right now. While others sleep on it, smart money is moving in. In this video, I'll break down the 3 profit zones, the latest on-chain data, and the shocking revenue numbers most traders are ignoring. Stick around, because if this breaks the trend line, it's game on. Let's dive into the chart and see why Sushi might just be the most underestimated alt right now. Let's be honest, the narrative around SushiSwap has been rough. Many left it for dead after the 2022 crash. But look again. DeFi Llama shows a solid $176 million in total value locked, with a $143 million market cap and $15 million daily volume. But here's the catch. Sushi is generating $946,000 in annual revenue, while still spending over $5.2 million per year on operations. That's not profitable, not yet. But with a $27 million treasury, they've got a buffer to execute the comeback. The question is, can they scale fast enough? And they might. The protocol has quietly staked $9.6 million worth of Sushi, over 6% of supply, reducing circulating tokens while boosting rewards for loyal holders. And get this, Sushi's new aggregator just surpassed $3 billion in trading volume, spanning over 40 chains. That kind of traction is not priced into the current market cap. Now, let's get into the price action. And this is where it gets exciting. This is the 2-week Sushi USD chart, and it's showing all the signs of a potential breakout. A multi-month downtrend just got broken. Sushi is sitting just under 75 cents, consolidating below the 236 Fibonacci level at $1. The volume profile shows very little resistance between $1.30 and over $4. Here are the levels to watch. Since we'll be bumping up against a downtrend line that has been respected since 2021, our first take profit zone is at $1.70. TP2 around $4.30, and TP3 around $6.70. That's over 8x potential upside. Of course, that's the optimistic case, but technically justified if momentum kicks in. The Harsi indicator, or Heikin-Ashi RSI, is curling up from the bottom, a signal we've seen before at macro bottoms. My stop loss is tight at 39 cents. If we lose that, the thesis is invalidated. No diamond hands, just good trading. Now, you might be asking what's changed. Everything. SushiSwap isn't just a decentralized exchange anymore. It's become a fully integrated aggregator, natively supporting cross-chain swaps on 25-plus blockchains with limit orders, DCA strategies, network selector, MEV protection, and even scam token detection. They're calling it the 12 levels of swap anything, and it's not just marketing. This is real DeFi infrastructure, and it puts Sushi back on the map. And if you're yield hunting, you'll love this. Sushi is offering APYs as high as 149%. Even mid-range pools like DaiUSDT or Lido Ethereum are yielding 24% to 143%. Plus, Sushi Bar is giving a solid 8.4% APY on stake Sushi. From protocol fees, not inflation. In a sideways market, passive income is everything. Sushi isn't just reacting, they're shipping fast. Their recent posts show the vision. A unified swap layer where you get the best price on any chain automatically. The aggregator handles execution behind the scenes. It's DeFi UX done right. They tweeted, built a DEX, built an aggregator. Now your swaps get the best price. That's the evolution. And with protocols like Polygon teasing integrations and even retweeting Sushi's roadmap, the writing's on the wall. This is going somewhere. If Sushi delivers on execution, the price could move fast. But again, you must manage risk. This is still a turnaround story and not without its flaws. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, how do I spot setups like this earlier? How do I build yield even in a bear market? Then grab my ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's just $4.99, and it'll teach you everything I use daily: yield farming, staking, airdrop plays, and portfolio compounding. It's the playbook I wish I had when I started. Check the link in the top pinned comment, and let's build smarter together. Let's wrap it up. SushiSwap isn't out of the woods. Their costs still outweigh revenue. But the protocol is fighting back with product updates, staking incentives, and serious cross-chain momentum. The chart looks primed. The fundamentals are evolving. And while the market sleeps, Sushi may be preparing its biggest comeback yet. Just remember, don't FOMO. Stick to your levels. Respect your stop loss. And always take profits, especially on moon targets like $4 or $6. Drop a comment. Do you think SushiSwap can reclaim the DeFi spotlight? Destroy the like button, subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro, and check out my last video for even more alpha. See you tomorrow in the next one. Stay sharp, stay yield focused,